In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open DOC or Docx files without using Microsoft Word or any third-party software in Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a doc or Docx file using WordPal. This can be useful if you have a Microsoft Word document on your Windows computer, but you do not have Microsoft Word available. Let's say you already have a DOC or Docx file saved on your computer. A Docx file is a Microsoft Word document format. Normally, you would open this type of file using Microsoft Word, but in this tutorial, we'll use WordPal instead. To get started, open the Windows Start menu and search for WordPal. Once WordPal appears in the search results, open it. When WordPal opens, you will see the main editing window. It includes options such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mail Merge, View, and Review. For this tutorial, we only need the options for opening a document. There are two ways you can open your DOC or Docx file in WordPal. The first method is to drag the document directly into the WordPal window. Locate the DOC or Docx file on your computer, select it, and then drag it into the WordPal window. Once you release the file, WordPal will open the document and display its contents. You should now be able to see the text and other supported content from the document directly inside WordPal. The second method is to use the Open option. In WordPal, go to the File menu at the top left of the window. From the menu, click Open. A file browsing window will appear. Now, locate the folder where your DOC or Docx file is saved. Once you find the document, select it and click Open. WordPal will then load the document into the editing area. You can now view the content of the DOC or Docx file directly inside WordPal without opening Microsoft Word. This can be useful when you simply need to access a Word document and want to use the WordPal application that is already available on your Windows computer. You can use either method depending on which one is more convenient for you. Dragging the file directly into WordPal is quick, while using the Open option allows you to browse through your folders and select the document you need. And that's how you can open DOC or Docx files using WordPal without using Microsoft Word or any third-party software in Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,